Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today I want to show you my 54 Oval. Well, not where it is now, but where it is when I first got it. I want to show you a little introduction of the car, the idea I had for the build, do a walk around the car, and maybe start, yeah, let's show the opening. November 2020, this 54 showed up on Facebook Marketplace, and it's very rare for one that old to show up in British Columbia. It wasn't fully rusted out in the rear quarters, looked like it had original paint, and there's about 20 people complaining about the price, but to find a 54 up here, I knew I had to go grab it. And it's about 11-hour round trip, loaded up the trailer, headed down the road, about 700 miles, 1,100 kilometers. He took it out of the field and put it in his barn and took the motor out for some reason. Took my friend Fraser up there with me, helped me get it loaded, and do part of the drive. Once it was loaded, the man was paid. It wasn't far down the road that we stopped for photos. I had to take one for my brother, and then wanted to send him a video as well. Driving we went. Oh, after we fixed a tire. Then we drove out of the canyon. The 6-hour return. Then once I got it home, I got a few photos of it. Vacuuming out the 54 Oval for the first time, and I got a bunch of crud off the top. I'm ready to see what this thing looks like underneath. 1954. A little bit of something there. A little surface. That is beautiful paint right there. A little bit of surface rust right there, but I'm pretty stoked on that so far. So after I got it home, I got it into storage at my brother's shop. Got it on some rollers, threw the deck lid sort of on it, but didn't really do any other work because I had some other projects going. So with that, the next video is going to be taking the body off the pan and starting to strip the pan. And then maybe there I'll talk about where I'm going to go with the build and why it came off of the, why I blew the moss off it to get it done. Hope to see you on the next one.